My name is Sydney Wilson. I'm a Chief Horse Management Judge for the United States Pony Club. I'm going to talk to you today about the emergency pack that we sell here at Bit of Britain. I actually had the opportunity this weekend to realize how much I could have used this kit. We had a horse that managed to jump over a fence post and impaled herself. It would have been really nice to have been able to simply grab this kit and run out to the field where she was. Instead, of course, we had to grab all these different items from our first aid cupboard in the barn and try to drag it out there, keep it clean, and try to decide what was sterile, what was not, and what have you. So this is a really great idea. It comes packaged all in a bag that you can keep in your barn, keep in your horse trailer, certainly take to shows with you. You can keep it on showgrounds, wherever you needed to have access to the things that you would need in case a horse really got hurt. The items that you'll find in there, first of all, rubber gloves for you to put on to make sure you don't cause the horse to have any kind of infection from your hands, but also to keep yourself safe. It also contains a very large multi-trauma dressing, which, as we all know, horses can sometimes bleed a lot. It does take quite a bit of a dressing to get that covered and get the bleeding stopped. It also contains an iodine swab stick, which you can of course use to clean out the wound. Always a good thing to have, packaged, it's kept sterile. Once we've got the bleeding stopped and we want to wrap it up real well, or if we just want to wrap up over top of this until the vet gets there, you've got non-stick pad here, you've got gauze to wrap around a limb, you have gauze pads to put over top of the wound itself, and little triple antibiotic packet. These are really nice to have around the barn because we know how sterile our great big jar of triple antibiotic is. And a couple of stretch gauze bandages that again we can put around a limb, helps to hold the bandage in place, apply pressure, stop bleeding, etc. So with this one opportunity, you don't have to try to get a hold of all these things individually, and they're kept clean, packaged, sterile, and ready to grab at an emergency. And actually, you know what, if you were a pony clubber, you would recognize that most of these things are required in your first aid kit, so isn't that special?